what programming means to me. Programming to me is the ability to turn ideas into something real. It's a way to solve problems, create tools, and build projects that can make life easier for people. When I write code, I feel like I'm giving life to a set of instructions that can actually do something useful. Programming is not just a skill, it's a great and logical process that has helped me grow, think differently, and understand how technology really works. Number two, I believe the programming career is challenging, but incredibly rewarding. It requires focus, effort, and constant learning, but every year, every new concept or project feel like a step forward. What I like the most is that this field offers many opportunities from web development to software engineering, and it continues to grow every year. Even though it can be demanding, I think it's a career that prepares you for the future and gives you the chance to build things that matter. Number three, our experience studying programming has been a mix of challenge, discoveries, and growth over time. We have learned how to break down problems, create code, work as a team, and understand different technologies. There were moments of frustration, but also many moments of satisfaction when our projects finally work. Studying programming has taught us not only technical skills, but also patience, discipline, and teamwork. Looking back, we can see how much we've improved and how far we've come.
What programming means to me? To me, programming feels like having a superpower. It lets us create things faster, automate repetitive tasks, and basically shape ideas into something real. What pulled me into it was my fascination with video games and the fact that it involves a lot of math, two things that hooked me instantly. What I enjoy the most is the logic behind everything, building algorithms, breaking down a problem, and crafting a clean solution. It's like solving puzzles with code, and slightly fewer mental breakdowns. My opinion on the career. What I like the most about studying programming is how much it opens doors. It gives you skills that save time, make work easier, and actually let you build useful things. What frustrates me? Easy. Those moments when the language used refuses to click, or when I don't know what a specific instruction does. It's like the code is flowing, but I am not. In the end, my goal is simple. I want to fully understand how to program and to be able to develop tools and software that genuinely help people. Our experience studying programming. We started studying programming 2 years ago, back in our second semester of high school, working with Java. One memory and slightly traumatic moment was the project where we had to build the system for my brother's cafe. That segment took years of my life, emotionally, not literally. But the journey has been worth it. I have learned more to be more patient, to understand topics more deeply, and to think in a more logical way rather than just reacting. Programming definitely required my brain for the better.
Programming is the art of bringing logic to life. It is the way abstract ideas are translated into functional systems. Allowing the digital tools we use to exit mm, programming or software engineering is fundamentally the discipline of creating, designing, and maintaining computer system. It is much more than just reading code. It involves solving problems logically and efficiently, Um, and while my experience studying programming for 3 years has been quite complicated, since there are times when I think my projects where I have to stay up late, and then that overlaps with my other subjects. But the good things about the projects is that I've learned to program many things, where it's web page or similar things, and my opinion is that it is a very good career for someone who likes it. Personality, I don't like it that much, but I be and a good time studying programming.
Programming means to me. For me, programming is much important than technical skills. It's almost like one thing in the world. When I think about the programming, I don't only think the write the code, but the process of understanding how things work and how you can make them better. Programming feels like a creative space where ideas become reality. You can start with a simple things, something you wish excited, and through the logic and forward you can actually build. I love the feeling. It's like having blank canvas. Another thing programming represents a to me, big problem solving. Every project, no matter how small, brings challenge. Sometimes you spend hours trying to fix a thing bug, and even though I can irritating, it teaches to patience, attention on detail, or persistence. In my opinion, studying programming is a career that requires effort, but it pays off. It's not a paid where everything comes easy. You need hours of practice, curiosity, and will is something constantly learn new things because this technology evolves fast. What I like about this career is that adapt to the personality. If you are creative, there is space for you. If you are analytic, there is space for you too. If you enjoy teamwork, if you prefer working alone, you can find the place for you fit. Or my experience, student program. In my experience, student program is being a journey full of emotion. In the beginning, everything feels confusing. We solved terminals like variables, loops, arrays, function, and we didn't understand anything. We had moments of distress, especially when the lines come on where something refers to the work. We had nights, schedule left finished projects, sharing ideas, getting frustrated, and then lagging with something finally works.